Hey everyone, Allie Kloster here with a quick tip for you. So, how many hashtags should you be using on social media? Here's your quick and easy answer. Facebook, 2 to 3 hashtags. The same thing goes for LinkedIn or Twitter. So if you're using Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn, 2 to 3 hashtags. And what the heck is a hashtag? Think of it like a keyword. So simply, what are your fans and followers typing in Google and searching out? Think of those keywords as hashtags. You can simply add the hashtag symbol in front of a word or phrase in your Facebook post, or you can add them at the end too. So Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, 2 to 3 hashtags. What about Instagram? 14 to 20. It's not spammy. Don't shy away from it. Make a list. Save it on your phone. Make it easy for yourself. Go back to it. Switch it up once in a while. But make a list of hashtags, and you'll see when you're on Instagram, if you start typing in a hashtag, it will pop up with some recommendations for you. So take advantage of that too for brainstorming. And again, create a list. Save it for yourself. Reuse those hashtags. Refresh them once in a while. But Instagram, 14 to 20 hashtags. And little side note, you're going to want to make sure you post those hashtags on Instagram the same time that you post your Instagram post. If you go back and edit later and add those hashtags, it's not going to work for you as well. Short and sweet answer. Post those hashtags in with your caption or, right away on Instagram. So don't shy away from it. 14 to 20 hashtags on Instagram is going to help you get a lot more likes and eyeballs on those photos on social media. So that was my quick tip for the day. Glad you found that helpful. And as always, come back to my page. I'll see you around later for more social media tips, tricks, and resources. And you can always find out more about how to grow your business using social media if you visit my main site, alliekloster.com. All right, I'll see you again soon. Bye.